Abokwe beat Peter in every aspect of governance. So Peter Obi is a good man. What Chiboko is Shichi. Obe his best boy made this. Obe better than Ngige. Number the junior before him. Maybe after him, may better than him. We don't be not here soludo again now. I'm going to go so grassrooted na Anambra State. No bro something here by wishful thinking. Yes. I about emotional and politics. Politics if you do support. Because for example, let me tell you, I want to be P2P governor and P2P will have across southeast. Ketoka achieve the stream of being in the federal government. Hey, it's good money call. But my brother, able president of Nigeria when rules no to Peter Nasin need was structure. When you begin to make such emphatic, disruptive statements, say that not realistic. Then everybody will experience Niban and as in food, including this stakeholders, including on my phone, Manding Bonana on Digo. And I said that he did her structure to win the election. Now, I realize when they need his structure. Structure can achieve from here and there. First of all, you have to go to Kowal and need to see when I need her structure. Yes, they need his structure. Check any next so people been as who were the election last time. How many of them see an Azukita? They need to come and do it. Check any so Tinubu were the election. They know against Tinubu. Kita, many of them knows for him. Even in Nigeria, Tinubu market in there, look at like by November 7, Liverpool anywhere enough car. All this so clear now how you put the league. Abgama was an Asma Abgason. Arsenal, almost the same thing. Arsenal was enough motivation in a second. That is my understanding of it.
Yeah.
Liverpool had taken the league. Among was enough motivation, able second. So that's where Chase will come up with. What I go? So the only one I know around, I will need to be close to car park. I will need to be close to Ebende Town now. Here, join your airport, because now Chase they are not second. And the you carry.
Can even Obiodika na ndị niile rụrụ ọrụ under Willie Obiano, they are no more politically relevant. Can even men
Soludo will under Willie Obiano. Soludo governor of Anambra State. Many people now Soludo today under Willie Obiano. Many of them are with the governor today. Many young people roll under me. Government coordinators, man, trained my program. Many of them are also Soludo governor. So many other politicians all.
Are you saying that Willie Obiano produced Soludo?
I was also producing Soludo. Willie Obiano to be a Soludo here now. That was what people had the opportunity of being the governor of Anambra State or Semba. They make the guy push because the man I don't know when they push does or just say but I said that now look. Now come on, about the next governor of Anambra State. Now carry a man up with the next at Soludo need to prove to Anambra that Trump need now as a professor. Now come on, I need a professor. But I support all of that from Abokwe.
You know, democratically, we have had other Nuju, we have had Ngige, Peter Obi, then Willie Obiano. How would you rate